Good morning students, myself BP Yadav. Today we are going to study a new chapter, that is chapter 7, cubes and cube roots. Students, in introduction lecture you have already know what are cubes. Okay? So today we will solve the questions from exercise 7.1. And first question of this exercise is, which of the following numbers are not a perfect cubes? There are some numbers given in the question number first, that is on page number 114. I am not going to write the question here. Question is given in your book. I have written here 3 parts of the question. Okay? There are 5 parts, but we have to solve here 3 parts. Other parts you will solve yourself. Okay. You have to find which numbers are not a perfect cube. There are some numbers. First number is 216, 128 and 1000. You have to check whether this number is a perfect cube or not. Okay. So in this question you have to say which numbers are not a perfect cube only, but you have to check all the numbers. Okay students. So first of all we will take this number 216, okay, and find the prime factors of this number. In your earlier chapter you know about the prime factorization method. So you have to find the prime factors of this number. Okay. So prime factors of 216, and we will take the prime factors of this number, okay, divided by 2, 2 1 ja 2, and now 1 is less than 2, so you have to take this, and before taking 6 you will put here 0. Okay students, maximum students making wrong because they write 18, direct they divide this. So you have to take 2 1 ja 2, 1 is less than 2, so you have to take this and put a 0 here. 2 8 ja 16, now this one is 108, again by 2, 2 5 ja 10, 2 4 ja, again by 2, 2 2 ja 1 14, 2 7 ja, now by 3, 3 9 ja, and again 3, 3 3 ja, take again 3 and 1. Okay students. So these are the prime factors of number this 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. Now we have to make the prime factors in a group of 3. Okay. So the first group, this one, and this one is the second group. Okay. So these numbers are, the factors of this number are in a group of 3, in a group of triplets, These numbers are triplets. Here 2 3 times, here 3 3 times. Okay students. So this number is a perfect cube because all the groups are containing 3 factors. Okay. 2 into 2 into 2, 2 into 2 in, 3 into 3 into 3. So there are 2 groups of 3. So this number is a perfect cube. So 216 is a perfect cube. Okay student. So we will check the another number, that is 128. We are going to check the another number, that is 128. Second number 128, this second part. Okay students. So find the prime factors of this number 128. Now by 2, 2 6 ja 12, 2 4 ja, again by 2, this one 2 3 ja 2 2 ja, again by 2, and 2 1 ja 2 6 ja, by 2, 2 8 ja, again by 2 4 by 2, 2, and by 2 this one 1. Okay students, these are the prime factors of 128. So we have to write the prime factors here, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, the number 2 is 7 times. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. So make the group of 3, make triplets of these factors. Okay, so first group, this one second group, but here 2 is left. Okay student, so if there are only 2 groups, then the number will be a perfect cube, but there is a 2 more after this group. Okay, so this is the number 2 which is left, which has no group of 3. Therefore, this number 128 is not a perfect square. So perfect cube students. 128 is not a perfect cube. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, अगर हम देखते हैं कि अगर 3 का ग्रुप नहीं बन रहा है इसके फैक्टर्स का, अगर उसमें कोई नंबर बच जाती है तो ये नंबर परफेक्ट क्यूब नहीं होगी। अगर 3 का ग्रुप कंप्लीट हो रहा है तो ये नंबर परफेक्ट क्यूब होगी, अदरवाइज दिस नंबर विल नॉट बी अ परफेक्ट क्यूब। ओके स्टूडेंट्स, सो नाउ वी विल चेक द थर्ड नंबर, दैट इज 1000. ओके, सो फाइंड द प्राइम फैक्टर्स ऑफ दिस नंबर 1000. Take here third part, that is 1000. Okay students, so we have to find the prime factors of 1000. Okay, so by 2, 2 5s are 10, this one 0 0, again by 2, 2 2s are and 2 5s are 250, again 125. Now 5 to 7 108, it is not divisible by 3 because sum of the number is not a multiple of 3. So you have to take 5 here. Next prime number. Okay, so 5 2 ja 10, 5 5 ja, again by 5 5, and by 5 this one 1. So factors of this number 2 into 2 into 2 into 5 into 5 into 5. So this number make the group of 3. The factors of this number are in a group. Okay, so this one is the group of 2 and this one is the group of 5. So groups are completed here, group of 3 are completed here, our triplets are completed here. Therefore this number 1000 is a perfect cube. 1000 is a perfect cube. Okay student, other part of this question you have to do yourself, and there are 2 more parts. Now question number 2. What is question number 2? Question number 2 students. What is question number 2? Find the smallest number by which each of the following numbers must be multiplied to obtain a perfect cube. Question is given in your book students. You have to find the smallest number by which you have to multiply the given numbers to make it a perfect cube. एक ऐसी स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर को आपको फाइंड आउट करना है जिससे कि मल्टीप्लाई करने पर जो आपको नंबर्स दी गई हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 में वो परफेक्ट क्यूब हो जाए. आई एम गोइंग टू राइट द नंबर्स. फर्स्ट वन 243, दिस क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 and 243, and second one is 250 and third is 72. 250 and third number is 72. So student, I am going to solve the first part of this question. Once again, remember what is question. Question is that these numbers are not perfect cube. You have to make these numbers a perfect cube. You have to find what is the smallest number. You have to find the least number by which you will multiply this number to make it a perfect cube. Okay? जिस स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर से आपको मल्टीप्लाई करने पर ये परफेक्ट क्यूब होती है, उसी स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर को आपको फाइंड आउट करना है. यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट द स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर बाय विच यू विल मल्टीप्लाई दिस टू मेक इट अ परफेक्ट क्यूब. Okay students, so first of all the first part of this question 243. Okay, so find the prime factors. By using same method you have to find the prime factors of this number, and you will find the number which is not in a group of 3. You will multiply this number by that particular number. Okay, that will be the smallest number which are not in a group. Okay, so first find the prime factors, after that you will do this. Okay, 243, 2 4 6 3 9. Okay, so this number is divisible by 3, 3 8 ja 24, 3 1 ja 3, again by 3, 3 2 ja 6 and 21, 3 7 ja 21, again by 3, 3 9 ja, again by 3, 3 3 ja and take 3 here 1. Okay, the prime factors of this number are 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. Yes students, 3 is 5 times here. Okay, so make the triplets. Okay, make a group of 3. First triplet, and in second triplet there is one number less, that is 1 3 is less here. Okay, if we multiply this number by 3 then this triplet will be completed. Students, अगर हम 3 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दें इस नंबर को तो इसका भी 3 का ग्रुप कंप्लीट हो जाएगा. अगर 3 का ग्रुप कंप्लीट हो जाएगा तो ये नंबर परफेक्ट क्यूब हो जाएगी. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, सो वी नीड 3 one time. Okay, so to make 243 a perfect cube, we must multiply it by 3. So 3 is the smallest number. This is our answer. So 3 is the smallest number which is required. Means required number is 3. If we multiply this number by 3 then it will be a perfect cube. स्टूडेंट्स, अगर हम 3 से इसको मल्टीप्लाई कर दें तो ये परफेक्ट क्यूब हो जाएगा. तो हमारा आंसर क्या है? 3 है यहाँ पर. तो स्टूडेंट्स, इस क्वेश्चन में और भी क्वेश्चन आगे पूछा जा सकता है. जैसे अगर इस क्वेश्चन को इस तरह से पूछा जाता है कि फाइंड द परफेक्ट क्यूब सो ऑब्टेन्ड. First of all you have to find the least number by which you have to multiply this number to make it a perfect cube. After that you have to find the number you have obtained, perfect cube number you have obtained. Okay student, अगर इसमें नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन पूछा जाता है फाइंड द परफेक्ट क्यूब सो obtained after multiplying. Okay, then you have to do some more steps. Okay, but your answer is completed here. I am going to tell you some more steps. If it is asked that you have to find the number that is a perfect cube. Okay, so this number is 243 and the factors of 243 3 5 times. Okay students, so to make it a perfect cube you have to multiply it by 3. Okay, is equal to 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. So your groups of 3 are 2 times here, it is completed, and this number will be 3 3 ja 9, 3 4 ja 12, 3 2 ja 6, 1 7. This number will be 729. That is a perfect cube, and you know that this is a perfect cube of 9. Okay students, तो ये नंबर 9 की परफेक्ट क्यूब हो जाएगी। अगर इसका क्यूब रूट फाइंड आउट करने को हमको बोलता है एंड फाइंड द क्यूब रूट द परफेक्ट क्यूब सो ऑब्टेन, जो परफेक्ट क्यूब आपने ऑब्टेन किया उसका क्यूब रूट फाइंड आउट करिए। तो आप इसको फिर एक नेक्स्ट स्टेप इसमें और आप कर देते, इसके सारे फैक्टर्स को आप यहाँ पर लिखेंगे। ओके स्टूडेंट्स, दिस वन ओके एंड दिस वन cube root of 729 and this one cube root of this. Okay students, so out of 3 you have to choose 1, 3 and from this group 3 3 ja 9. The cube root of this number is 9, but it was not asked in this question. The question is completed here. Okay, so second part of this question. Yes students, I am going to solve the second part of this question. The number is 250 here, okay, and find the prime factors of 250. So first of all, by 2 125, again 125 is not divisible by 3, not divisible by 2, so take next number, that is 5, next prime number. Okay, 5 2 ja 10 and 5 5 ja again by 5, okay, and this one 5 again by 5 1. Okay students, so prime factors of this number is 2 into 5 into 5 into 5. So observe this table, observe the prime factors of this number. Okay student, so 5 is in a group of 3, but 2 is one time only. Yes students, here 2 is one time only. To make this number a perfect cube, we have to take 2 more times. Okay, so to make 250 a perfect cube, we should take 2 more times. That is 2 into 2 is equal to 4. Okay students, so 4 is the smallest number by which we have to multiply this number to make it a perfect cube. Okay, so 4 is the smallest number, the smallest required number. Okay, required number. Students, I think you understand this question clearly. Once again I am explaining this. Students, 2 का यहाँ पर जो ग्रुप 3 का बन रहा है, ट्रिपलेट्स जो बन रहा है वो कंप्लीट नहीं हो रहा है, तो 2 को 2 टाइम्स अगर और हम मल्टीप्लाई कर दें इसमें, तो 2 का भी ट्रिपल का एक ग्रुप कंप्लीट हो जाएगा। तो 2 को हमने 2 टाइम यहाँ मल्टीप्लाई किया, 2 2 जा 4. So 4 is the smallest required number by which we have to multiply this number to make it a perfect cube. अगर हम इसको 2 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दें तो ये नंबर परफेक्ट क्यूब हो जाएगी। स्टूडेंट्स, other parts of this question you have to do yourself. Okay, I am going to solve the third question. What is question number 3, student? Find the smallest number by which each of the following numbers must be divided to obtain a perfect cube. Same type of question is this, and the numbers are 81, 128, 135. 81, 128 and 135. 128, 135. I am writing here only 3 parts. Okay, other parts are given in your book and you have to do that parts yourself. Okay, students. So in this question, this is question number 3. So in question number 3, you have to find the smallest number by which you have to divide this number to make these numbers a perfect cube. Students, इन नंबर्स को उस छोटी से छोटी किस नंबर से हम डिवाइड कर दें जिससे कि ये नंबर्स परफेक्ट क्यूब हो जाएं. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल you have to adopt same method. Okay, so first part of this question 81. Okay students, so find the prime factors of 81 first. Okay, so by 3, this one 27, again by 3, 9, 3, 3 and again 3. Okay, 1. These are the prime factors of 81. How many times? 4 times. 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. Okay. So in first step, make triplets, make group of 3. So there are one group of 3. Okay. But this number is left alone. If we divide 81 by this number, then this number will be a perfect cube because the triplets is completed here. Student, अगर हम इस नंबर को 81 को 3 से डिवाइड कर दें तो ये नंबर परफेक्ट क्यूब हो जाएगी. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन में जो बिफोर दिस क्वेश्चन यू हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई बाय दैट नंबर, आपको उस नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई करना था. बट इन दिस क्वेश्चन यू हैव टू डिवाइड बाय दिस नंबर. ये एक्स्ट्रा नंबर हो जा रही है. अगर इस नंबर से अगर आप इसको मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे तो ये नंबर परफेक्ट क्यूब हो जाएगी स्टूडेंट्स. बिकॉज दिस नंबर इज नॉट इन अ ग्रुप ऑफ 3 एंड हियर वन ग्रुप ऑफ 3 इज कंप्लीटेड हियर. सो इफ दिस नंबर इज रिड्यूस और दिस नंबर इज डिवाइडेड, सो द नंबर विच विल वी ऑब्टेन we will obtain that will be a perfect cube number. Okay students, so 3 to make 81 a perfect cube, we must divide it by 3. So 3 is the least number, 3 is the required number. Okay, 3 is the answer. This solution is finished here. Students, अगर इसमें ये पूछता find the cubes obtained, अगर क्वेश्चन और आगे होता, जैसे हमने क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 में बताया था कि अगर क्वेश्चन और आगे होता आफ्टर डिवाइडिंग फाइंड द क्यूब्स ऑब्टेन्ड, तो आपको उस क्यूब को फाइंड आउट करना था, परफेक्ट क्यूब को फाइंड आउट करना था कि जो आपने डिवाइड करने के बाद पाया. एंड आल्सो फाइंड द क्यूब रूट ऑफ दैट नंबर. अगर क्वेश्चन में इतना और होता तो आप कैसे करते हैं इसको अभी हम बता रहे हैं. क्वेश्चन आपका यहाँ तक कंप्लीट हो गया, लेकिन ये दीज आर 2 more steps. ओके, सो 81 फैक्टर्स ऑफ 81 आर 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. Okay, you have to divide this 81 by 3 because 3 is the smallest number by which you have to divide it to make it a perfect cube. Okay, and divide the factors also by 3. Reduce here. Okay, and this one 27, 3 2 ja 6 and 21, 3 7 ja 21 is 3 into 3 into 3 का यहाँ ग्रुप बन रहा है, ट्रिपलेट बन रहा है और ये नंबर 27 है. 27 इज अ परफेक्ट क्यूब नंबर. एंड इफ यू आर गोइंग टू फाइंड आउट द क्यूब रूट ऑफ दिस नंबर, क्यूब रूट ऑफ 27, देन यू हैव टू फाइंड द क्यूब रूट ऑफ देयर फैक्टर्स टू. ओके, सो आउट ऑफ 3 यू हैव टू चूज 1. सो क्यूब रूट ऑफ 27 इज 3 and cube of 3 is 27. Okay students, this part is not from this question. This is some more steps. Okay, so you have to do only this. You have to find out the smallest number by which you must divide these numbers to find a perfect cube. So the smallest number is 3 here. Okay, students. So one more part of this question. Yes, that is 135. Take third part. 135. Okay. So find the prime factors of 135. 135 is divisible by 3. 5 3 8 1 9. So it is divisible by 3. 3 4 ja 12. 3 5 ja 15. Again by 3 15. Again by 3 5. Okay, and by 5 this one 1. Okay, prime factors of 135 are 3 into 3 into 3 into 5. 3 is in its group of 3. Okay, one triplet is completed here, but 5, the number 5 is alone. If we divide this number by 5, then this number will be a perfect cube. So to make 135 a perfect cube, we must divide it by 5. So 5 is the smallest required number. Okay, student, this is the answer. Clear? So if you divide 135 by 5, then which number, the number which you will obtain, that will be a perfect cube number. Okay, student? So find the perfect cube, that is 135 divided by 5. The number 5 2 ja 10, 3 5, 5 7 ja 5 7 ja 35, 27. You will got 27. 27 is a perfect cube number. Okay, students, but you have to find the smallest number only by which you are going to divide it to make it a perfect cube. Okay, students, so other part of this question you will do yourself. And now question number 4th. What is question number 4? Okay, students, question number 4 is Parikshit makes a cuboid of plasticine of sides 5 cm, 2 cm, 5 cm. How many such cuboids will we need to form a cube? Okay, students, so dimension of the cuboid is given here. Cuboid dimension, length, width and height are given here, 5, 2 and 5. This question is important question, students. You have to understand this question. The dimension of a cuboid is given here and you have to take some cuboids like that to make it a perfect cube. स्टूडेंट्स, हमको ऐसे ही कुछ क्यूबाइड्स लेकर एक क्यूब बनाना है. क्यूबाइड की डायमेंशन दी गई है, डायमेंशन में लेंथ, विड्थ, हाइट. सो टू फाइंड द नंबर ऑफ क्यूबाइड्स, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी हैव टू फाइंड द वॉल्यूम ऑफ क्यूबाइड. ओके, सो वॉल्यूम ऑफ क्यूबाइड, that is L into B into H, length into width into height, that is 5 into 2 into 5. Volume is equal to, if we are going to write in a sequence, then 5 into or 2 into 5 into 5. Okay, student? So because this is a cuboid and you have to make it a cube, to make these numbers a cube you need 5 one more time and 2 more times. स्टूडेंट्स, ये एक क्यूबाइड है जिसका वॉल्यूम हमको मालूम है और वॉल्यूम हमको फाइंड आउट हो जाएगा अगर हम इसमें ये तो 1 का वॉल्यूम है कि 1 जो क्यूबाइड हमारे पास उसका वॉल्यूम हमको मालूम है, ठीक है। हमने वॉल्यूम को इसलिए लिया कि हम जब क्यूब बनाएंगे तो क्यूब का भी वॉल्यूम हमको फाइंड आउट हो जाएगा कि वॉल्यूम क्यूब का कितना है, तो उससे हमें पता चल जाएगा कि हमें कौन कौन सी नंबर्स को चूज़ करना है यहाँ। तो द फैक्टर्स ऑफ दिस क्यूबाइड, फैक्टर्स जो इसके फैक्टर्स है तो 2 1 टाइम एंड 5 2 टाइम्स ही। If we are going to make these numbers a cube, then we required 2 more times and 5 1 more times. अगर हम इसको क्यूब बनाना चाह रहे हैं इस क्यूबाइड को, तो हमको 2 को 2 टाइम्स मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा। स्टूडेंट्स, आप जानते हैं कि किसी भी नंबर को क्यूब बनाएंगे तो उसका 3 का जो ग्रुप है वो कंप्लीट होना चाहिए। ओके, तो 3 का ग्रुप कंप्लीट करने के लिए 2 को 2 टाइम्स और मल्टीप्लाई करना होगा और 5 को 1 टाइम मल्टीप्लाई करना होगा। ओके, सो टू मेक इट a cube, we required 5 1 time 1 more time and 2 more times. यहाँ पर 1 टाइम है इसलिए 2 को 2 टाइम्स, तभी तो ट्रिपलेट इसका कंप्लीट होगा। 2 का ट्रिपलेट कंप्लीट हो जाएगा और 5 का ट्रिपलेट कंप्लीट हो जाएगा, जिससे कि ये नंबर क्यूब बन जाएगी। सो दैट इज 2 into 2 into 5 and the required number 2 more times. So 2 into 2 into 5, that's 2 2 ja 4 5 ja 20. So we need 20 such cuboids to make it a cube. Students, अगर हमको 20 क्यूबाइड्स इस तरह से मिल जाएं इस डायमेंशन के, तो इससे हम एक क्यूब कंप्लीट कर सकते हैं, एक क्यूब बना सकते हैं। सो दिस वन क्यूबाइड्स, ओके, सो 20 क्यूबाइड्स वी नीड, दिस इज द आंसर। स्टूडेंट्स, ये क्वेश्चन कॉन्सेप्ट इसमें है और इस कॉन्सेप्ट को आपको समझना है कि इसका वॉल्यूम फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आप फाइंड आउट करेंगे और वॉल्यूम में आप देखेंगे कि ये नंबर परफेक्ट क्यूब कैसे बनेगी। अगर परफेक्ट क्यूब इसको बनाने के लिए जो रिक्वायर्ड नंबर है उस नंबर से हम मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे तो ये परफेक्ट क्यूब बन जाएगी। तो हमने रिक्वायर्ड नंबर को ले लिया, 5 इज नीडेड 1 टाइम एंड 2 इज नीडेड 2 टाइम्स। सो 2 टाइम्स 2 into 2 that is 4 and 5 1 time, 4 5 ja 20. So we needed 20 such cuboids to make it a cube. अगर ऐसे 20 क्यूबाइड्स हो जाएं तो हम इनको क्यूब बना सकते हैं। तो इस क्वेश्चन को आप फिगर से भी कर सकते हैं स्टूडेंट्स, एक क्यूबाइड बना के उसके डायमेंशन का, और ऐसे ही सच 20 क्यूबाइड्स को आप करके देखेंगे तो 20 क्यूबाइड्स हो जाएगा अगर इस तरह से डायमेंशन। तो ये क्या होगा, इसको हम चेक करते हैं। योर आंसर इज कंप्लीटेड हियर बट वी आर गोइंग टू चेक दिस। ओके, सो 20 क्यूबाइड्स, डायमेंशन 20 क्यूबाइड्स की आपने देखा, इसमें हम इसको कंप्लीट कर रहे हैं कि क्यूब जो बिग क्यूब बन रहा हो उसका अब डायमेंशन क्या हो गई, पूरी 2 into 2 into 2. How many times? 3 times, because you have multiplied here 2 more times and 2 is already given here and 5 2 times already given here and you have taken 1 more time. So into 5 into 5 into 5. Okay, so this one cube of 2 that is 8 and cube of 5 125. So this number is 1000. So 1000 is a perfect cube number. Okay students, so it is a cube and cube of 10. Okay, 10 into 10 into 10. Length is 10, breadth is 10 and height is 10, that is 1000. Okay students, so it was checking only. Your answer is completed here. You need 20 such cuboids to make this number a cube. Okay, this cuboid a cube. That's all students, and in the next video we will discuss about exercise 7.2. Okay, that's all.